In today's video, let's talk about BUSD pirates, how you will be able to earn 3% daily here, and what are these fields over here, how you will be able to assure that you will be getting 3% daily every single day, how you will be able to buy BUSD. So we're going to talk everything right now. So also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another update. So let's just jump right into it. So as you can see into the pirates info, BUSD pirates pays 3% daily according to the current mining efficiency rate. Objective of the game is hiring more pirates sooner and more often than other players. So this in turn will make you earn BUSD faster. Reinvesting your daily BUSD earnings will 3x your miners within 30 days or less. So let's now talk about how I got this pirates over here. So first things first, the first thing that you need to do is go to this portion over here. So this will directly put you into the pancake swap, and then convert any cryptocurrencies, any major cryptocurrencies that you have. So if you have a BNB, you have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, it doesn't even matter. Just have some sort of cryptocurrencies that you can convert into BUSD. And then just enter it and just click the swap. Of course, you will pay some gas fee, but it is very minimal, which you will also make it in after you've invested or after you've got some miners, because this will actually work for you. Now, after you already got your BUSD, go directly here and then also place any BUSD amount that you have. So I think the lowest BUSD that you can put here is 10, but I recommend that you can put 50, you can put 100. Of course, the higher it is, the better. Okay, so just put this and then click hire my pirates, and then after that you will also pay some gas fee, and into your screen you won't have any data of this. Okay, but after you've already submitted the transaction, you will see how many pirates that you have, how many booty that you are collecting per hour, how many it is in chest, and how many hours for this one to be full as well. So how this is like how you will be able to mine effectively. Just buy the pirates with your BUSD, then these pirates will start mining and placing the BUSD they find into the chest. Also reinvest the BUSD in your chest to increase your mining efficiency rate, and alternatively you can withdraw the BNB in your chest. So you'll be able to ask more questions directly into their Telegram group, which you can always go directly here. So this is the Telegram group. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask them directly here. So they do have 5,000 members already, so probably check that one out while it is still early for us guys. So this is pretty much the tutorial that I'm also going to share to you. Also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.